Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Recently renovated and impressively appointed standalone villa located in the child-friendly compound known as Norbrook on the Fairways. It boasts a spacious kitchen area, open living room and dining room, entertainment room, powder room, laundry room with beautiful cabinetry and spacious cupboards. This villa comes with a helper's bedroom and bathroom. All four bedrooms are located on the second floor, where two are en suites. The recently renovated villa consists of two balconies and a patio and a landing, which can be used as a study or child's playroom. The complex has 8 units, a swimming pool, access to golf course, and 24-hour security. The total land area is 3,800 square feet. Some other features include ceramic tile and wood flooring, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, fully walled, central location, family oriented, private setting, landscaped, road paved, level lot, and gated community. The asking price for this house is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.